Today, the spotlight is on Force of Nature, which manufactures the innovative product called Force of Nature Pro. It's an entry in the ISSA Innovation Award program and can be viewed right now on the ISSA Show website. It'll also be on display at ISSA Show North America in November in Las Vegas. So with me today is Jennifer Bilyeu. She's the Vice President of Commercial Sales with Force of Nature, and she's here to talk to us about what the product is and what it can do. Jennifer, tell us about Force of Nature.
Great, thanks, Jeff. Well, due to the pandemic, we've all been using more disinfectants and cleaners than ever before. And our studies have shown that chemicals in these products really are causing significant health issues. And what makes Force of Nature innovative and different than any other product on the market is it doesn't use any of these harsh chemicals. It also performs equally or better than the top brands. It's also EPA registered, it's Green Seal approved, and Mayo Clinic skin safe. It also checks all the required boxes you would expect from a disinfectant and multipurpose cleaner, but delivers more for less. Force of Nature is an EPA registered hospital grade disinfectant, deodorizer, sanitizer, and multipurpose cleaner. It kills 99.9% of germs and is also on the very important EPA N list. Now, Force of Nature leverages a technology called electrolyzed water. It uses electricity and only natural ingredients to transform salt, water, and vinegar into a very powerful disinfectant. As effective as bleach, but without the harsh chemicals. So no fumes, no irritants, no allergens. And if you add Force of Nature to your everyday cleaning protocols, it can also improve overall operational effectiveness. Force of Nature replaces a number of products that you currently use, and it enables you to tackle 95% of those cleaning tasks with just one product. It can go from disinfecting bathrooms to cleaning glass, to sanitizing in food areas, to really deodorizing some of your toughest odors. Not only that, but it costs less, 80% less per ounce than the competition. Now, at Force of Nature, we also use a pre-measured capsules that create a consistent solution each and every time. Our eco-friendly recyclable capsules also save on shipping costs. As an example, this box here of capsules represents 6 gallons of bleach or other liquid cleaners, but costs 85% less to ship it. Now, Jeff, our business began over 6 years ago and with an eco-friendly, sustainable consumer product that created just 12 ounces of solution. But since then, our demand has grown and our usage occasions have grown, which have really grown the need and demand for a bigger, faster commercial unit. And I'd love to announce that we'll be launching the new Force of Nature Pro coming up in November, and it's bigger and faster. It makes 32 ounces of solution and up to 64 ounces of solution. And it's the same great EPA registered solution, just bigger and faster. So just like you've tried, everyone that's tried Force of Nature just loves it. We have over 2,000 reviews, 5-star reviews. And within those reviews, 56% actually mentioned the word love. And not only do our customers love Force of Nature, but we're also approved by many of the leading organizations like Green Seal, Mayo Clinic Skin Safe, Cruelty Free International, and Women's Voices for the Earth. And one of the best things is just like ISSA is committed to helping members change the way the world views cleaning and promotes a vision for cleaning as an investment in human health, the environment, and improved bottom line, that we too at Force of Nature and the products we've created, like Force of Nature Pro, are striving to protect human health and wellness by removing toxic chemicals from cleaning, delivering recyclable, reusable, eco-friendly products for the environment, and protect and support a Go Green sustainable strategy, which has been great for business. You can check out our website at forceofnaturepro.com, or Inc. magazine also recently featured Force of Nature in their top 500 fastest growing companies. Or you, of course, can visit us at the ISSA show in Las Vegas, we're going to be at the booth 6115, and we'll be showcasing the new Force of Nature Pro, and we're excited to see everyone there.